you doing? So I've been sort of looking for some sort of outdoor speaker that I can use, mostly to hook into a microphone so when I'm teaching, but also, you know, when I'm out working on a sawmill or whatnot, so I can play some music. And I needed something that was relatively sturdy. So I found this, what's it called? Inspira waterproof, dustproof, shockproof Bluetooth speaker. All right, it was $14.99, and that's a smaller one. They have them. They have a bigger one at $25, and then a huge, like boombox size speaker for like $100. But it didn't cost very much, so I thought I'd try it out. It comes with a charging cord. It comes with a adapter if you don't want to use or don't have Bluetooth, and then a little carabiner. Now I'm probably going to take this carabiner and use it at work for my work keys, because it's plastic, and getting to a metal detector with a carabiner to hook my keys on sometimes is a pain in the tail. Let's try this thing out. Pretty simple. Comes with a little double-sided sticky tape here. You pull it off so I can stick it to something. Pull a place for the carabiner so you can hang it, right? And then on the top, you can't probably see it, but it's got some indicators, an on switch, a play pause button, a Bluetooth mode button for setting up on Bluetooth or using it as a phone, and then plus or minus switches for volume and changing the channel. So let's try it out. All right, blue light's on.
Device is ready for connecting.
All right, I'll pull up my phone.
Connect it.
It comes in as, mine says TIBI S11BK, whatever. So, here we go. Let's get some music up in here.
I've been walking in the moonlight.
Oh yeah, all right, yeah.
First I
Get cold and hot.
think I'm
Right. So anyway, there we go. And it'll scroll through. And it works pretty good. So now, for YouTube shuts me off for using
I
the
ain't
movie.
gonna marry in the
For YouTube sets me up for using unlicensed music. Let's make a phone call. I'm going to call the wife. Let's see what she says. Be careful though, because there's no telling. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you're on video. Hello?
What?
You're on video.
I don't see you.
Well, of course not. That Bluetooth speaker thing I bought the other day, you were wondering what it was.
You can see my face or just my voice?
Yes, babe. I can hear your voice through the speaker that I bought.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right. So, can you hear me good?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, William.
Pretty good. Hi, Daddy. Come talk to Dad. He's excited. Roby's here now. They're going to play in the pool.
Okay. Well, people probably don't want to hear about William in the pool, all you know. So.
Okay. Well, you can call me back.
Yeah. Okay. I'll talk to you later, babe. Bye.
Call me back.
Yeah, so anyway, this thing works pretty good. I don't know how long it'll last on a battery because it's been raining. And while this thing is waterproof, I'm so sweet I'll probably melt. So I haven't been out. I was supposed to go out to the land today and get my sawmill trailer. And I was going to play with it out there. But it is raining, so I can't. But anyway, $14.99 for this battery-powered, Bluetooth, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, travel Inspira speakers. So it's pretty cool. Check it out.